Okay, so yesterday when I was over getting carb and all that done, I'm trying to get the thing to run just a little bit, knowing I needed to change this line anyway. It's a little fuel, but not much. Mr. Burns, can you crank this for about... You need the key. Did you get the key?
Yeah, that would help, huh?
That would help there, smart guy.
That would help a lot.
That would help. Anyway,
Be nice.
I'm trying to be nice.
Be nice.
I am being nice.
You hurt my feelers. Does it not have a tag on it?
It does. It says 58 Ford right on it. Anyway, so I'm trying to get this thing. I tried to light it a little bit just to see. I did, put a little brake clean in there and get her to sputter. But I noticed we weren't getting any fuel. Or much fuel. So this thing should be blowing a load. So please do me a favor, sir.
Yes.
And can you now... Are you ready?
No.
Be ready.
No.
Don't...
No.
Alright, just crank it. Well, it liked the little bit of brake clean that was already in there. But note our fuel line. It didn't really pump up much fuel. Go ahead and hit it again. Now we're pumping. Okay, now we're pumping fuel.
You want me to give it a couple pumps?
No, because I got it. I have the line unhooked.
Okay.
I just wanted to see if it was
Sounds good.
pumping, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to replace this line,
Then we'll go from there?
and we'll go from there. So, got our fuel line replaced. Much better. Go ahead, Burnsy. Let's crank it for a little bit. Get fuel into the carb. The battery sounds nice and low. Hold on. Let me nurse it. Go. Trying to get fuel up to the carb. There we go. Soaked on.
Know what switch to put it at?
No idea. Right now we are up and running. I think that fuel filter was part of our problem.
And the fans turn on?
Well, they're relay, they have a temp sensor. Let's just jump and fuel on the secondary. I need to pull that apart and see what we got going on. Okay, so it was float height in the back. I adjusted that. That was good. Now I'm adjusting our idle mixture. Ooh, baby. gonna die now, but no, maybe not. Half. One. Half. Back in a quarter. Go for idle speed. I gotta get something figured out with these turn springs, but that's easy enough. So we'll do that little adjustment, and then we'll drive her.
You hit the key. Scotty, turn off the musica.
Hold on. I'm seriously gonna buy you AirPods.
There we go.
Sounds pretty good. Alright. I threw about 5 degrees of timing at it. Parts are nice and smooth. The fans have come on. We are piddling a little out of our overflow, but that's okay because I filmed everything. I want to make sure everything was perfect and nice after capping all that last night. I'm going to go for a little drivey drive here. And then I think